Hi everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all doing well. I'm really happy that you are here with me today and I hope that you are enjoying this awesome brand new day. I am sharing with you another journal and this is spoken for already. It's been a long overdue and I hope that this special lady who asked me to make a journal for her using the Cottage Life paper pad is going to love this. She has been very patient with me and this is also the second journal that she has asked me to do for her. So I hope that she likes this really. The size of this journal is 9.5 by 6.25 inches and there are about 136 inside pages front and back. I decorated the cover with this charm. 265 charm is by Tim Holtz and then I added a heart and another charm. The closure is attached and this is a very old fabric. The focal point of the cover is this beautiful applique. It's very delicate and I love the color. The soft pink color is very sweet and really lovely. The spine is covered with this lace fabric in cream color and the journal has 3 signatures. The binding is 3-hole pamphlet stitch. The base of the cover is several layers of file folders and then covered with the paper from the Cottage Life paper collection by Graphic 45. The back is very plain and simple, but the images are just wonderful. And for the inside pages, again, I used the paper collection by Graphic 45 Cottage Life and some pages from Edith Holden book, pages from old botanical books, and tea-stained papers. Let me show you the inside. Please stay with me, enjoy the music. I'll be back before the end of this video.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark? From so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night? And what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees gets undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Oh, I just wonder. Wonder. Yeah, I wonder. Just wanna watch them stars fall with you. Don't wanna try to make up dreams just to be seen. I wanna lay here beside you, all quiet. Fire breath and open sky. It's not what we know, it's where we go. I grow wings and tell her goodbye. Oh, it's not what we see, it's what we choose to be. Sunflowers, high grass and bare feet. Each second is a treat. I keep my balance next to you. It's true. Nowadays there's nothing I wouldn't do for you. Fire breath and open sky. It's not what we know, it's where we go. I grow wings and tell her goodbye. It's not what we see, it's what we choose to be. We're beyond good, I've never been so ready. Fire breath and open sky. It's not what we know, it's where we go. I grow wings and tell her goodbye. Oh, it's not what we see, it's what we choose to be. Fire breath and open sky. It's not what we know, it's where we go. I grow wings and tell her goodbye. It's not what we see, it's what we choose to be. A trembling touch peace. Take a step into the river, get down on your knees. Come to the mountain while taking in the view. You will find that life is greater than you knew. When you go through the storm, I will hold you, keep you warm. When you stay in the night, I will shelter, I will fight, I will fight. Oh, you're broken and you're shattered at the point of no return. You pick up the pieces and you let the bridges burn. So come to the water, you're sailing with the breeze. Take a step into the river where you will find peace. Where you go.
I am back. Thank you so much for staying with me. I hope that you like this flip through, and I hope that you like this journal. I would love to know what you think about the cover, the pages, the embellishments, the ephemera. And if you have any questions, let me know as well. Once again, thank you so much for supporting my work. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube family. I appreciate you all. Stay awesome, stay beautiful, and have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye now, till next time.